Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here we are creating the spiral shapes like these, and then the curvy shapes in this manner, get it attached in this way, and then make the leaves look like this. Pretty cool, isn't it? Make the leaves like this, and here make the stem in this manner further. Definitely amazing. Keep on proceeding. Here we have created a beautiful lovely lotus, and that too a neat and clean one. And then you just need to make the pond like this and get the patterns in this manner, get the lines, the scribbling lines like this, and then you need to make it in this pattern. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here we have made a beautiful cloud, and in the middle you can make a star shape like structure, and then on the bottom you can make the lines like these and make the patterns as we are doing here and making these here. And then you have to make the birds, small birds on the top, and then the leaves all around. And let's see what are we gonna get now. Again you need to make the same flower on the other side as well, and then you get it colored. Keep on proceeding. Here we have created a ball like structure and then make the lines like these, and here we have made a candy. Pretty cool, a lollipop.